Hello, and welcome to this MBL webinar on the legal and ethical issues arising from ChatGPT and other types of generative AI. I'm Jacob Turner, a barrister at Fountain Court Chambers, where I specialise in technology and, in particular, matters relating to the governance of AI and data. I'm the author of a book called Robot Rules Regulating Artificial Intelligence, which addresses why AI is unique, what problems it could cause, and how we can solve them. In the past few years, I've advised governments, regulators, and many private sector organisations on issues arising from the development and use of AI. And in this regard, it's worth having a look at what the terms of OpenAI say about the rights to output. So OpenAI, as a reminder, is the company that creates ChatGPT. So OpenAI says it assigns to you as the user all of its right, interest, and title in the output. That means you can use the content for any purpose, including commercial purposes. So what OpenAI is saying is if you give ChatGPT a prompt and you want to use that prompt, you can do so. OpenAI isn't going to assert any rights over that prompt. It's giving you all of its rights. But there is still a problem because we don't know whether OpenAI has any rights in that underlying content that has been created. Because if something that is generated by AI is not protectable by copyright or by other mechanisms in the law, then this term up on the screen has no effect. There have already been some actions with respect to ChatGPT in terms of potential personal data privacy breaches. As you may know, it was banned earlier in 2023 temporarily by the Italian data regulator, the Guarante, which accused it of a lack of lawful basis of processing personal data, of over-collection and storage, as well as inaccuracy, and the fact that it was accessible by minors, and that it was a tool in which people who are underage might cause themselves harm by asking for certain information or otherwise by putting in certain information. And the Guarantee have asked in response for ChatGPT being allowed again in Italy, which it now has been, for various constraints to be put in place. For example, ChatGPT has undertaken to engage in age verification from September this year.